In this problem, we're going to calculate the circumference and the area of a circle with a radius 3 centimeters. So the circumference formula is c equal to pi times the diameter of the circle, or it can be calculated as 2 times pi times the radius of the circle. Since in our case we have the radius, which is 3 centimeters, then we're going to use c equal to 2 times pi times r to calculate the circumference. So plug in 3 into our formula, we have c equal to 2 times pi times 3. And multiply 2 and 3 together, then we have 6 pi. So if we want to express the answer in terms of pi, then this is it. The symbol pi in the calculation above represents an irrational number with infinitely many decimals, which means we cannot write it down. But if we keep only 2 decimal places, then it is 3.14. Then we say the pi is approximately equal to 3.14. Now, if you replace the pi in the calculation of the circumference with 3.14, then you will get an estimate for your circumference. So let's do that. So 6 times 3.14 will equal to 18.84. So this is an estimate of the circumference. Since it is only an estimate, then we use the squiggly equal sign. So we say the circumference of the circle here is approximately 18.84. So, however, in the problem, they want us to round to the nearest tenth. So take this number here and round that to the nearest tenth. So now you have the c, which is the circumference, is approximately equal to 18.8 according to the rounding rule. So now let's calculate the area of this circle. So the area formula for the circle, it is the area A equal to pi times the radius squared. So plug in the radius 3 into the formula, we have pi times 3 squared. And 3 squared, that's 9, right? So we have 9 times pi, or 9 pi. So if we express the answer in terms of the pi, then that's the answer. And they also want us to round the answer to the nearest tenth. So which means you need to replace the pi with the estimate of pi. So use 3.14. So let's do that. So 9 times 3.14, that gives you 28.26. So 28.26 is an estimate of the area if we keep 2 decimal places. But here they want us round to the nearest tenth, which means we need to keep only 1 decimal place. So round this further, then that becomes 28.3. So we say the area of the circle given here is approximately 28.3 square centimeters. So the answer to this problem is the circumference equal to 6 pi centimeters if the answer is in terms of pi, and c equal to 18.8 centimeters if we round the answer to the nearest tenth. Then the area is 9 pi square centimeters, and that is the exact answer in terms of pi. And 28.3 square centimeters, that's the answer when it's being rounded to the nearest tenth.